Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a special marine warning for Southern Bay of Green Bay, nearshore waters from Washington Island to Two Rivers, open waters of Lake Michigan from Rock Island Passage to Two Rivers, until 6:15 p.m. or 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 4:43 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots, and small hail 9 nautical miles west of Swamico, moving east at 35 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Longtail Point light around 5 p.m. Green Bay Harbor entrance light around 5:10 p.m. Bay Shore Park around 5:15 p.m. Mariners can expect strong winds to nearly 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. A special marine